Hello guys, my name is Samuel Awoyemi. In this video, I'm going to show you some news that's going to happen tomorrow for ATH distribution, and that is server maintenance for Athene Network App to distribute, and this maintenance is going to take place exactly as 12 o'clock a.m. tonight. 12 o'clock, that is 0:00 a.m. to 2 o'clock. It's just going to take place for just 2 hours. And what you just need to know that during this time, you are not going to be able to access your Athene network. It's possible that you are not going to access your Athene network app for that 2 hours. It's midnight. Maybe you may be sleeping by that time, but tonight the server maintenance is going to occur for mainly Athene app to distribute ATH. So that's the importance of this maintenance for them to distribute ATH. Let's go to the X post. So you can see now, dear Athene community, we would like to inform you that we temporarily maintain the server of the Athene app to distribute ATH from 0:00 to 0 UTC on May 1st, 2024. We apologize for any inconvenience and hope you understand. We are committed to completing the ATH distribution process as quickly and efficiently as possible. Thank you for your cooperation and support during this time. So can now say that it's just going to just say 2 hours, and within that 2 hours we may be sleeping by that time. So if you are not sleeping, and note that during this time the distribution for ATH is going to be stopped. So that means that this distribution is going to take place exactly as 2 o'clock. So the server maintenance is going to work from 2 o'clock. So from that 2 o'clock, then this distribution is going to take place, and this distribution is going to last for a day. So if you don't get it, maybe in the daybreak, so just the distribution is going to last for a whole day. So just make sure that you know this, and make sure that you subscribe, like this video, and share this video. I'm going to see you my next video. Peace.